flood which came, and as you know, there was a lot of flood and situation of cyclone in Calcutta. Similarly, there was one big cyclonic rain which came in one of the village, and the people were so worried what to do. But in this village, there was good. Yeah, there was. Yes, yes, there was one person named Shiv Shambhu. Now, Shiv Shambhu was a dire religious person who used to worship Lord Shiva day and night, and he was there in the village when the flood came. When the flood came, he was worshipping Lord Shiva, and he was not worried about the flood. And but the people at the village were so much worried what will happen in the flood. So they came running to save the Shiv Shambhu on the flood. And when they approached Shiv Shambhu, he said, "Don't worry about me." The village people asked, "Why you are not worrying?" Shiv Shambhu said, "Yeah, my Shiv Shambhu will take care of me. My Shankar Bhagwan will take care of me. Need not to worry about me. And he takes care for me throughout my whole life. So you go away, nothing to be worried about." And and he sent them all. So as the flood situation worsened, the flood water enters into his hut, and he had to reside on the terrace of the hut or the terrace. And the house was flooded with water. The people came with boat, and they approached Shiv Shambhu for relief. And again Shiv Shambhu said, "You all go away. Need not to worry about. Lord Shiva is with me, and you all go away." And then at the first flood situation was worsened, and he had to reside above the hut, and the situation was not good. So the helicopter was sent to for the relief purpose in the village, and the helicopter landed um, through one rope so that he catch the rope. The Sim Shambhu said, "No, no, I don't want any kind of rope. Lord Shiva is with me always. आपको इसकी चिंता करने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है." And the situation got much worse, and he was drowned in the flood, and he died. So when he died, and his soul went to Lord Shiva. And when he approached Lord Shiva was doing meditation. He was in a deep meditation. And when he went to Shiva's place in the heaven, he told to Lord Shiva, I was the dire bucket of you, and you didn't save me at all." Then Lord Shiva opened the eyes and said, "What do you want from me, the soul?" Shiv Shambhu said, "I only wanted to be saved from this flood situation, and you didn't help me. And throughout my whole life, I served you, I worshipped you, I loved you so much, you didn't help me." Lord Shiva said, "How fool you are. I was always there with you, every time in your heart. And I sent some people with initially with the boat and then with the helicopter, and you didn't responded very well. And because of your negligence, you died." Right? The moral of the story is we have to do karma in our life. Karma is very, very important. You have to work for the life. Don't leave everything to the God, and don't curse your destiny. It also happens in lack remedies where the person becomes so indolent, wants themselves to be free from the situation, but the situation may not be conducive for them. So we'll start with a very nice case, and the case I will start now only. So just a minute. So we'll start with a nice case. This was a case of a young girl, 28 years old. Just a second, I'll share my slide. Yeah, my slides is visible to all.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. So this was a case of a newly married lady, aged 28 years of age, came for consultancy on April 2018 for the complaint of migraine and eye problem. And especially it was with the left eye problem. Just a second, left side of eyes. That is what's important in the case. Then I asked, tell me the detail of your problem. So she said, very interesting part. After I got married in the month of January, some mistake in the date. After a month in the January, all problems started, and she paused. जब वो बोल रही थी, वो पॉज हो गई और बोली कि सब प्रॉब्लम मेरे मैरिज के बाद हुई है, और ये माइग्रेन भी मुझे यही यहाँ से शुरुआत हुआ है। और मैंने बोला आप शेयर करिए, इट इज इम्पोर्टेंट टू शेयर एवरीथिंग इन डिटेल फॉर द कंप्लेंट यू आर हैविंग इट। सो शी सेड, okay, I was very happy at my father's house, and I was enjoying lot of freedom and independence to live freely in an open atmosphere where there was no restriction at my father's place. Wonderfully, she said, I was enjoying my life with full of freedom and independence at my father's place, but the situation of marriage changed me. So I used to, what I wanted in my life was not there as soon as I got married. But as she came to her in-laws place, everything got changed, what she said. So there was a big pause again, and I asked, what do you mean by that? And she said, I mean lots of freedom and no freedom at in-laws. The two situation was there. At father's place, lot of freedom, and no freedom at my in-laws place. That's what she told at that time, and the place totally opposite to what I used to enjoy at my father's place. So describe me in detail. Yes, at my in-laws place, it was my first day of my marriage. It, marriage का पहला दिन था, and the situation was my mother-in-law welcomed me in a different way, and she didn't give me respect. That was the feeling I got, and this behavior was not digestible. The word used with was very important, not digestible, and not being respected is the essence of carnivora. When you are dealing with any carnivorous animal, this essence of being not respected would come. Believe me, I have seen, I have confirmed also. It is there in my archive of the case, and I have to type it down in my PPTs. That's very hectic part, but this thing will be very important in many carnivora animal. Carnivora means those animals who are eating flesh. So this was the first feeling that she got when he entered the house, and her mother-in-law didn't welcome her in a proper manner, and she felt not being respected, and this behavior was not being digested. That's very important of the feeling. I felt so bad and not being respected at my own place, which I was supposed to stay for the rest of my life. This is very important of this case essence. It was the really essence of case. So this is for the essence of the case. And now, any other anxiety or anxious moments that you remember in your life? Now she said very interesting part, and he said yes, very much. After 2 years of my marriage, a few months back, my father-in-law had tried to do some wrong on me, as my husband was out of the town, and this was my most shocking incident. उसमें ऐसा था कि सिचुएशन अच्छा नहीं था जहाँ वो अकेली थी और उसके फादर इन लॉ और मदर इन लॉ वाज देयर बट फादर इन लॉ हैड tried to do some wrong on her and the husband was not there, and this essence will be told by many lac remedies. uh, it was there in one my lac caprinum case and now lac falinum case. This incident of uh, immoral kind of thing you will get in many of the leg cases. Remember this. It is known. This won't be find. You will not find in the repertory, but this essence would come. Right? Then, what was your inner feeling after that incident? Uh, she said very interesting part. We the girls leave our father's home and make others' home as our home, but are not secure. So this is then there was a big pause. हम लोग लड़कियां अपने पापा का घर छोड़ के आती हैं और दूसरों का घर खुद का समझती हैं पर हम सिक्योर नहीं है. Tell me the I was I was living a free life at my father's home, but I am not free at my in-laws place. The feeling of not free was coming up, and it can be seen in many tubercular drugs, the free part. Right? So now further, what would that feeling from inside feel like? It is as if you are not in your world, and when you make your home, you are not secure and independent at your place. This was the feeling which was coming up in her case. Very, very important. Still more feeling or the deeper sensation you have, you are not able to exercise your freedom according to your wishes. This is, was also the main important thing about this case. As they will not allow you to do so, there was always a condition of expression of willness. It means that you are not supposed to express your wishes. This is the important theme of the feline theme. This is the feline theme where the feline feels as if you are not doing according to your wishes, especially the cats, the small cats, rather the domesticated cats. Domesticated cats. So this is the feeling of the domesticated cats where they are not too supposed to express their own wishes. Actually, they have their own home, but they are not supposed to express their own wishes. It is kind of a bonding. Any dream that you have seen? I see a dream of arranging my things at my north place and making my room well organized and cleaning it with lot of love and caring. This is also very important. Cleaning, this part of cleaning is very important in cat's case. Organizing is also very, very important in cat's case. Even arranging thing is also very important in cat's case. Many times the patient won't tell you about the dream of earthquake. This was not told. So doesn't think that dream of earthquake नहीं बोला है तो वो cat remedy नहीं है. So it was not there in the case. Now what do you like in the food? Healthy food and lots of milk coffee. This was the desire of her, and she didn't like fruits. That's very important in the cat's case again. And उसका मेन कंप्लेंट तो बाजू में ही उसने रख दिया और पूरा सिचुएशन इन लॉस का चले गया. एंड इन द एंड आई आस्क्ड व्हाट अबाउट योर माइग्रेन. I have this migraine more on the left side with eye shade problem, and disturbs me a lot with lot of pain. What are your hobbies and interests? At my parents' house, I used to do modeling. This is very important of the cat's case. Modeling and used to wear best clothes, the best of the clothes, and I used to express myself in mimicry. The mimicry is very important. इसका भी mimicry करना in the way she used to express the people. Now we'll see very interesting a movie. Just type share. For the essence of cat's case, I wanted to show you another thing very important is how the cats. mm, Cats. Yeah. See how the precision and so precise, neat and cleanly, not like dogs. So canady is different than felidae. So the part used is the felidae, the claws, very important of the feline. So that is the catch on the neck of the rodents, that is the mouse and rat. So we'll start with the slides. Yeah. Lac felinum, the milk of domesticated cat or the house cat. Can you see my PPTs? Say yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now it is the milk of domesticated cat or the house cat. It is called Felis catus. The family is Felidae. Order
स्क्रीन
is
पे कुछ भी मत लिखना
Carnivora.
प्लीज.
Order is Carnivora. Now what I told you about this Carnivora, when you are dealing with Carnivora, you will get lot of self-esteem. Remember this self-esteem, self-esteem, esteem. And self-esteem you will get when you enter into the order of Carnivora. And we'll see everything in detail. So we'll start. Now we'll start with Honeyman. And then, as you know, it is Honeyman oath that we should all, on my honor, I swear that I shall practice the teaching of homeopathy, perform my duty, render justice to my patient, and help the sick whosoever comes to me for treatment. This is very important. May the teaching of Master Hanuman inspires me, and may I have the strength for fulfillment of my mission. So when we know a person in the disease process and its outcome. So we go from predisposition to disposition of a patient, then the diagnosis, then comes the chronic disease. So the plan of management is to treat the sick and not the part. The individualization of the case. The every case is a phenomena. It can be a cat, it can be a dog, it can be a horse, it can be a pig. Anything can come in our universe because our universe can tap the state of any animal. That's very, very important. Okay. Please don't do that. Please don't do that. The totality of the case, what is to be treated is the individualization, holistic, and disease in the natural process. Then we have Animalia, Linnaeus is very important. Then we have Chordata, then we have mammals, right? Carnivora, and we have feliniform, where the felines come. Now this is the felidae. Now this is very important. This is felini. This is felis. This is domesticated cat. Now, this is very important of domesticated cat. It is domesticated species of small carnivorous animal. It is only domesticated species in the family of Felidae, and it is often referred to as a domesticated cat, and is also called a house cat, the farm cat, and the feral cat. Domestic cats are valued by humans for companionship and ability to hunt the rodents. This is very important in the cat's case. There are almost 60 cat breeds are recognized and cat in the cat's registry. The cat is similar to an anatomy to others. Pelid cases, strong, flexible body, claws. Now, what is the sentence? Just thrilling cats, but as social species also. It will stop right on the screen. Years of my life working on this. Hello. I don't like such things. मैं हमारा कीमती